Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. Recently I got a question about how do you take off the snap ties, and these are metal snap ties. And what I'm doing here is I have a pipe, and most of the time, like 90% of the time, you just lift straight up and they break off. Every once in a while they're stubborn and you got to twist them, especially the short ones. So you'll see most of them go straight up, break off, and then once in a while you'll get one that doesn't break off, and all you do is lift it straight up and then twist it one way or the other and it should snap off. Anyway, that's how you break off snap ties. It was a question, so I thought I would answer it. Anyway, little short video. Hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Later. Thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. I will see you next time. Later.